Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief SEO audit just to kind of show you a few things from a search engine optimization perspective that you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. If you like what you hear in this video and you want to hear more in depth on what we do and some other strategies and techniques we use to get you to the top of Google and more people clicking on your website, then shoot me an email back or a quick phone call and we can go more in depth on your business. Without further ado, let's just dive right into it. So first thing I will say, I do like the aesthetic of your website. But like I said, this is going to be more from a search engine optimization standpoint. So a search engine optimization is just what it says. It's basically getting to the top of search engines, primarily Google since it's the most popularly used, and staying up there. That way you can get more clicks organically without having to pay for ads and stuff like that. So looking at your website, one thing that you really want to focus on, that's super easy, is going to be the amount of content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. Reason being is Google released that their algorithms scrub the pages, looking for that as like their minimum threshold. So looking here, I have a tool called SEO Quake, and it kind of shows me your website's brief overview. And I can see that you have 1,158 words. So you're about 400 words shy of that minimum marker. So one quick, easy thing you can do is just add more content, more information, and that's just one way to start off. Now, this isn't going to make you jump to the front page by any means, but it is going to allow you to start focusing on a few other things, which leads me to my second point, which is going to be keywords and keyword optimization. So this is a keyword. So as you can see, I can't spell, but Central Texas Roofer is what I meant to type in, and we can see that all these things pop up. Well, this full sentence is one keyword, not individually the words, but one thing. Anything you type in and click search is considered a keyword. So the reason this is important is because you want to be at the top for these keywords. You want to make sure that your website is up here in the top with all of these other websites so that you can get clicked on. And the main reason for that is that the click rate has proven that 80% of people don't scroll past the first page when they're looking for a home service. So with you being a roofer, you want to make sure that you're definitely in these top 3 to 5 websites, because if not, then people aren't going to keep scrolling and they're definitely not going to go past the first page. And that means a lot of traffic you could be missing out on. But let's just look more in depth at it. So for example, we're going to look at Rhino Roofers. So I took their website right here, as you can see, and I plugged in a tool called Aris. Now you can get this tool as well. It's about $250 a month to have, but it shows you really everything SEO in the website. And what we see here is that they have 1.6 thousand keywords that they're being found for, and they're in the top 9 for 3 of those. So we're not going to look at all 1.6 thousand, but let's just look at the ones that they are top 9 for to just kind of give you an example of what they're pulling. Well, obviously Rhino Roofers, Selma Roofing, Metal Roof Cost San Antonio, Roof Replacement San Antonio, Roof Replacement Cost, Tile Roofing, and we can actually look even more in depth if we want to all the keywords that they're being found for. We're not going to look at all 1,600, but what I really want to focus on is the volume, right? So Metal Roof San Antonio, Metal Roof San Antonio, Metal Roofing San Antonio, Metal Roof San Antonio, San Antonio. You see, they're all just variations of the word. But look at how many searches. 450, 500, 500, 500. I mean, right here is a couple thousand searches, and they're in the top 5. So they're getting those clicks. And you can see the traffic that they're actually generating. 155 clicks a month. 49, 41, 39, 39, 39. Those are potential customers that if you're not getting them in, they're not going to find you. So the last thing I want to talk about is how do you get to the top? Well, that's going to be strongly based on this domain rating. And they have a strong domain rating of 37. And what drives the domain rating is primarily backlinks and referring domains. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, it pushes the power. So if site A points to site B, then site B is getting some of the power from site A. So you want to make sure you're not only going to have more backlinks than your competitors, but more quality backlinks from good websites. So I can see here, this is your website. You have 21 backlinks with 11 referring domains and a DR of 0, which means A, either your website's fairly young, B, the backlinks you do have aren't coming from strong sources, or C, they're just not being indexed fully right now. Judging on your keywords and the total traffic, I would say it's a combo of A and B, a young website and not strong backlinks. So you really need to make sure you're getting relevant backlinks. Because as you can see, it really pays off. With their backlink profile, their domains, and their keywords, we can see they're generating almost 900 clicks a month. That's 900 potential customers, whereas you're only getting 46. So you can really see how it equates and pays off in the long run. So in conclusion, in this brief audit, we just talked about 3 things. Content, having 1,500 words on the homepage. Keywords, making sure you have the most keywords trickled throughout so that you can be found for people that need your services. And search engine optimization, primarily backlinks, link juice, and how you can get more traffic by just making sure that you have the most quality relevant sites point at you. Like I said, you can implement these yourself and you could totally start climbing in Google. But if you want to know what other tools and techniques we use to keep you at the top of Google so that you're getting all that traffic and driving your business, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you.